Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing something different. I'm actually going to be unboxing the Furluvr box. If you guys didn't know, I do have a fur baby. This is Rusty. He's 2 years old and he's super excited to get his box. So Furluvr reached out to me and asked if I wanted to unbox. And of course I said yes. So this is a monthly subscription box for your dog. It's $34.99 a month. And I do have a discount code. If you use code Michelle Martin, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. So every single month you're going to get treats, you're going to get toys. Yeah, you want a treat, don't you? He's like super excited over the treats. But you'll get treats, you'll get toys. You'll also get things like leashes or a collar, harnesses. When I watched last month's unboxings, they had gotten a travel water bottle, which is super cool. So that's really what makes this subscription box for your dogs a little bit different than others, is that you don't just get toys and treats, you actually get things that you need. So really the only thing you have to purchase throughout the month would be your dog food, because you're going to get your extra little things and things that you wouldn't even think about to get. But he is super excited. He has been waiting so patiently for this box. So it is a really nice size box. Ooh. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. All right, hold on. Now you do get to pick different subscriptions. So if you have a small breed, if you have a medium, or if you have a large breed dog, when you get on Furluvr's website, they're going to have different options for you. You can pay monthly, you can pay every 3 months, you can pay for every 6 months, you can pay for a full year. So really cool subscription. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is going to be this little chew toy with a rope. These are his favorite types of toys. And this one is super hard. I can barely crush it with my hand. So this is going to be perfect for him. This is not going to be something that he's going to be able to tear up. His favorite game to play is tug of war. So we'll get a lot of use out of that. That's really cool. So the next thing in here is going to be a harness, which is really nice. And this harness did come in a size large. It has adjustable straps on it. So this is really nice. I personally like to use a harness when I have a leash on my dog instead of putting it on their collar. I just feel like you don't have to worry about them choking themselves or pulling it too hard. So this will definitely get a lot of use. Okay, so next up we got a treat, and this is going to be a Griller's Dog Chew. This is a pork knee bone. It's all natural. He loves these types of bones. These are the types of treats that keep them busy for an hour or more, however long they just need to sit there and chew. It really does help get their energy out, so they're not chewing on things that they're not supposed to. And then last but not least, I pulled the bag of treats out and he's ready for this. Okay, sit down. You're being rude. And this is Nature's Choice. This is chicken wrap sweet potato biscuits. It's soy-free, gluten-free, and wheat-free. And I also just have to show you the inside of this box. It comes covered in fur, which is pretty cool. Do you like that too? It's not a blankie. He's such a blankie baby. Okay, you want to try a treat and see if you like them? Ooh. Sit down. Be good. So when you open it up, this is what the little treat is going to look like. Super cute. All right, here you go. Try it out. Tell us what you think. Okay, girl, so that is everything in this Furluvr box. I'm going to have the website, my discount code, and everything linked in the description box for you. So if you like this Furluvr unboxing, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell, because I'm random. I upload at least twice a week, but it is on different days. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.